Once we open that up, we are free to type in anything you want. So let's say that I'm going to make this one, for example, Alex in Vegas, my second channel, that I will be posting vlogs very soon. So I'm going to type in Alex in Vegas. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Alex, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to create this awesome name appearance lower third that you guys have been requesting a lot. Like, Alex, can you show us how to do that? As well as the social media lower third that you're seeing right now, you know, with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, everything like that. So this video is gonna be in two segments. I'm gonna first show you guys how to make that name appear with a little red line, and then I'm going to include a tutorial in this video. That's the second segment, how to make that. So don't click off. You guys don't need to go ahead and watch another video. I'm gonna just include that video, not the entire video, but just the most important parts to show you guys how to make that awesome social media lower third. If you guys want to get your hands on this, make sure to go ahead and check out the first link in the description. That will bring you to the download page completely for free, where you can download this template, the .veg or .vegas file that you need to open with the red line and everything. So we're gonna start off with doing that. So once we've clicked on the link and downloaded the file, we're gonna open up the folder and we're gonna open up the project that says name.veg. So we're gonna open that up and then we're gonna hit it off from there. Okay, so this is basically the actual, how you call it, file. So we're gonna go ahead and click on here, and as you can see, this is basically the animation. If you play it back, we have the red line and we have our name. So in order to go ahead and change your name, what we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and click on this icon of the text pattern. It says generated media. Once we open that up, we are free to type in anything you want. So let's say that I'm going to make this one, for example, Alex in Vegas, my second channel, that I will be posting vlogs very soon. So I'm gonna type in Alex in Vegas. So as you can see right now, if you have a pretty long name, it won't fit. So this is basically how to do it. And if you play it back, that's what it looks like. As you can see, but it's just a little bit too close to the red line, so we're gonna move up the red line just a little bit. So we're gonna go to the event pan crop, and it's gonna bring up this box. What you want to do in this one is you want to uncheck mask. You want to click on this keyframe on the top track until this big F appears. Then we're gonna put this guy to move in X only. And then we're gonna drag this guy just a little bit, not too much. If you go ahead and check mask again, as you can see, the line is now perfectly aligned with the text. So that is basically how to do it, guys. This is how you create this awesome name appearance. It is all animated for you, so you don't need to do that. And if you want to use this in your videos, what you want to do is just go ahead and select everything like this. Then you want to go ahead and click on File, Render As, and we want to render this transparent. So we're gonna pick the QuickTime 7, and we're going to go ahead and click on Mask Template. That's basically, if you click on Customize Template, there are a few things you need to do. The frame size is going to be 1920 by 1080. Frame rate, you can put that one to 30 or 60. But what you want to do, the video format has to be animation at the top. Then the compressed depth is 32 bpp color, and for the rest you just want to save it like that. You want to render it out, and then you can just import it into your next profile. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that the file is rendering, I'm gonna show you guys as well how to add this to your videos, how to remove the black background. So now that we have done that, we're gonna go to media generators, solid color. We're going to pick the color blue, and we're gonna drag in the file that we just rendered. Okay, so here's the file. As you can see, we have the red line. So the only thing you need to do to make this transparent is right click on the track, click on properties, go to media, and you want to put the alpha channel at the bottom right here. You want to put that one to straight unmatted. So go ahead and pay attention. If we click on OK, boom, right now it is completely transparent, and this is how you overlay it onto your own videos. So that's how to create the awesome name appearance. Now the second segment we'll start is how to make an awesome social media lower third. I want you guys to remember that everything is included in the description, as well as the download link of the name appear with the red line and the social media lower third with all the icons you need. So make sure to go ahead and check out the description, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly right now how to actually make the social media lower thirds from another tutorial I did in the past. So make sure to enjoy this video, keep watching, because I will be back when this is done. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make an awesome lower third. Now, for the people that are first watching and like, what is a lower third? Well, a lower third is basically a little animation at the bottom of the screen showing your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Google+, your Twitch, your Snapchat, whatever you want to put in there. And everyone has been asking on my videos, on the bottom of my videos, you see this little animation. People have been asking like how I do that. Well, in this video, I'm gonna answer all of you guys' questions. And first of all, if you want to have this awesome template, make sure to check out the description. There is the actual download link to this very file, as you can see right now, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. So what you can do, maybe if you have two screens, put my video on the second one so you can follow along and open up the project on your main monitor so you guys can do it with me. So I would say let's get started. So as you can see right now, we have a green screen with our animation on it. What we're going to do first of all is we're going to customize everything is really already into the project. So let's say that you want to have, like, you don't need to animate anything, you just want to, you know, it's so simple, you just want to edit the text and that's basically it. So you just want to render it out and use your chroma key on the green screen, and that's how to do it. So I would say let's get started. So as you can see right now, we are in Vegas Pro 15, and in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create that awesome lower third. So if you play back the video, as you can see, boom, this little animation appears. And what we're going to do is we're going to edit the text, what you see on this little animation. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the text file. So I'm going to just, you know, open up all the, you know, the tracks a little bit more so you can see it. And as you can see right here, we would just want to find the text. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the text files of this project. So let's go ahead and let's see which one this is. We're going to click on this little icon to edit it. And as you can see right now, it says Facebook. Now, as you can see, this little box is popping up. And if your OCD is kicking in and you want to have Facebook with the capital letter, obviously what you can do is you can just edit it to, let's say, like Facebook with a capital letter. Very straightforward. And if you want to go in detail, you can obviously move the word Facebook to the beginning, to next to the icon. So that's going to be really cool. And now we're going to edit this little bottom one. I'm going to make the quality a little bit better, like so. Now we're going to go to the very bottom one, and as you can see right here, it says facebook.com/John C. I don't know. But what we're going to do is we're going to edit this, and we're going to just type in facebook.com/JustAlexHalford. Now, as you can see, it fits in just on, you know, on the little surface that we have right here. You can also make it a little bit smaller if you want to, like this. So that looks really cool. And now our first Facebook, like, you know, template is done. We're gonna move on to the second one, but who, like, let's be honest, who uses Google Plus these days? So we're gonna remove this. So what we're gonna do is we're going to go ahead and replace this with Twitch Project Media. Right here it is filled with everything that's included in the project. What we're going to do is we're going to look for the Google Plus icon, and we're going to replace this with the Twitch icon. You can just find the Twitch logo on Google. You want to download that, and I'm going to replace that one real quick with the Twitch logo, which is going to be this one, as you can see, but it doesn't really fit. What I did is I just created a new video track, and I resized the icon with the track motion icon. Pretty straightforward, and as you can see, it is appearing on the screen really nicely. But what we're going to do then is we're going to go ahead and change this orange color, this one, to purple. So we're going to click on this little icon, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to look for the purple one until it matches with the Twitch icon. I think this one looks pretty solid. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the solid color, which is going to be purple. And as you can see right now, it looks really cool, and we just replaced Google Plus with Twitch. Now what we're going to do, it works exactly the same. Just go ahead and change the text like I showed you guys for Facebook. What we're going to do is I'm just going to type in twitch.tv/JustAlexHalford. Pretty straightforward, pretty cool, pretty simple. And go ahead and look for the text one, which says Google Plus. We're going to change that to Twitch. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick the top one. Is that going to be Twitch? It is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and remove Google Plus, and I'm going to type in Twitch. Well, not Zitch. I'm going to call it Twitch. So now we're going to go ahead and also replace this to the very beginning, as you guys can see, and that's how to do it, guys. So basically we're gonna go ahead and move on to Twitter, and it's going to be really simple. Go to the bottom one, like I showed you guys, and obviously what you want to do is obviously change this from Twitter to twitter.com/AlexHalford. It's going to be so straightforward and so simple. You just want to go ahead and change the text. Now, Twitter also has to be with a capital letter, so just let's go ahead and just type in Twitter again. Place this guy next to the logo, and it's going to appear really nicely. And also go to the end for Instagram. Do the exact same thing. Go ahead and change the Instagram word with a capital letter, Instagram, and move it also to the beginning. So that looks really tight. And now go ahead and go to the bottom one and change it from Instagram.com/your name. In my case, it's going to be Alex Halford. So let's go ahead and remove it. Instagram.com/AlexHalford. And as you guys can see right now, we have a fully customized lower third. Facebook.com, Twitch.tv, Twitter.com, and Instagram.com. So that's how to do it. The only thing you want to do is select everything, obviously, and you just want to render it out, and then you want to use a chroma key. Just pick, you guys know how the chroma key works, just pick the green that you guys see, and then you will see through it, and that's basically how to do it, guys. Okay, guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys want to win a free copy of Vegas Movie Studio 15 Platinum, the giveaway is currently open until June 3rd, 2018, so make sure to also go ahead and click on this little video that will bring you to the giveaway, and make sure to enter. So that's it. Thank you for the continued support. Thank you guys for watching as well, and I will see you guys on Monday with a brand new video as always. So I'll catch you guys next week.